What's up everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys we have this nice Harvard University admission question and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys, I'm going to share with you two methods that you can actually use to solve this. So let's start in with method 1. So we have the question to be 2 plus x raised to the power of 4 is equal to, now we can easily express 16 in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 4. So the next thing guys we want to do is to simply take the fourth root of both sides. So taking the fourth root of both sides, we have this to be 2 plus x raised to the power of 4. Now we're going to take the fourth root of this is equal to plus minus the fourth root of 2 raised to the power of 4. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have 2 plus x is equals to plus minus. This is going to cancel out this. We have this to be 2. So from here we have that 2 plus x is equals to 2 and we have 2 plus x is equals to minus 2. So from here isolating x we have this to be 2 minus 2 and x is equals to 0. So we have the first value of x. And from here we have x is equals to minus 2 minus 2 and we have that x is equals to what, minus 4, and this becomes the second value of x. So we have been able to find the two values of x. So we want to simply verify to show that this is actually correct. So to verify, so we have the expression to be given as 2 plus x raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we're going to say for x equals to 0, we have this to be 2 plus 0 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16 and 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, which is equals to 16. So the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. We have done verifying for x equals to 0. So we're going to say for x equals to negative 4, we have this to be 2 plus into negative 4 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we have this to be 2 plus times minus is minus 4 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we have this to be 2 minus 4 is minus 2 raised to the power of 4 and this is equals to 16. So we have that 16 is equals to 16. So the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. And guys, we have been able to solve this right here. So this is the first method that you can actually use to solve this problem. So guys, let's go on to method 2. So for method 2 right here, we have the expression to be given as 2 plus x raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we have this to be 2 plus x raised to the power of 4 is equals to, now 16 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 4. But the power of 4 can be expressed as 2 multiplied 2. So we have this to be 2 plus x raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 2 multiplied what? 2. Alright, so applying this property that says if we have a raised to the power of m multiply n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n. So applying this property, we have this to be 2 plus x or raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange and set this equation to 0. So we have this to be 2 plus x all raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 0. But from this property, if we have a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. Alright, so applying this, we have that a is equals to 2 plus x all square and b is equal to 2 square. So hence, applying this property, we have this to be 2 plus x all square. Hence, we have this to be 2 plus x all square plus 2 square multiply 2 plus x all square minus what, 2 square, and this is equals to what? 0. Alright, but we know that if we have a plus b all square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So applying this property right here, we are going to have this to be 2 square plus x square plus 2 multiply 2 multiply x plus 2 square is 4 multiply, applying the same property, we have this to be 2 square plus x square plus 2 multiply 2 multiply x minus, now from here we have that 2 square is 4 and this is equals to 0. So from here we have this to be 2 square is 4 plus x square plus 2 multiply 2 multiply x is going to give us 4x plus 4 multiply 2 square is 4 plus x square plus 4x minus 4, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here, we have this to be 4 plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 multiply 4 plus x squared plus 4x minus 4, and this is equals to 0. So we have this to be x squared plus 4x. 4 plus 4 is going to give us 8. Multiply starting with x squared plus 4x. 4 minus 4 is 0, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that x squared plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 0, and we have that x squared plus 4x is equals to what? 0. So solving for this, we want to simply apply the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 8. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square is 4 square minus 4 multiply 1 multiply c, which is 8, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1, and we have this to be x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 8 is 32, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2, so x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is minus 16, divide 2, so x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply negative 1 divide 2, but we know that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b, so we have that x is equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide what? 2. Alright, so we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of negative 1 is I, divide what? 2. So x is equals to, if you factor out 2, we have this to be minus 2 plus minus 2i divide what? 2. So x is equals to, this is going to cancel out this, so we have minus 2 plus minus what? 2i. So x is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x is equals to minus 2 minus what? 2i, and this becomes the first two values of x. So we have been able to solve for the first part right here, so we want to simply solve for this other part right here. And solving for this other part, we have this to be, if you factor out x, we have x plus 4 is equals to 0. So from here we have that x is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 0 minus 4, and we have x is equals to 0, or x is equals to what? Minus 4. And this is the third and fourth values of x. So guys, so hence we have been able to find all the values of x. So we say hence we have that the values of x are given us. So we have x1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to minus 4, x3 is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x4 is equals to minus 2 minus what? 2i, and these are the values of x. So guys, this is the second method that you can actually use to solve this Harvard University admission question right here. So guys, you can easily make use of any of these two methods to solve this problem right here. And with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.